I'm out by Park Reservoir now, and it is pretty close to the wildlife area, so it's just beautiful. I mean, look at those mountains and that lake. And this road goes right along the lake for quite a while. And we're gonna cut in a little and then go back out. Amazing views when I first came up.
sometimes with car life, it's not about the hiking, it's not about sitting in the car editing, it's about just enjoying the campsite. And I found a great spot here at Park Reservoir. And I was just gonna come by and get some water to filter to drink, but I think I'm gonna stay here tonight, at least one night. I might stay here another night because I'm gonna try for another Milky Way time lapse tonight. It's kind of cloudy, but I'm just being hopeful that it's not gonna be cloudy. Because if the water is still, if there's no wind, it's gonna be beautiful because there should be a reflection off the lake from where I'm camped. So can't beat that. So I'm gonna try it tonight. I might, if it doesn't work out, I might see a second night just so I could try it the second time. I think there's gonna be no better chance to try to get the time lapse with a lake reflection than here tonight, or not tonight, but here at this very spot. So I'm gonna give it a shot. The moon's setting later towards 11:30 now, so it's less of a window when it'll be really dark, but I think it's still worth it. So no hiking today, just enjoying the campsite. Got another drone battery charged up, so I might fly it around the lake again. And I'm just gonna try to take a nap so I can wake up in the middle of the night and try to film the time lapse. And then also the sunset should be right there. So it's gonna be a beautiful sunset. So I'm gonna try to film the sunset as well. I've I'm in the process of filming one time lapse. I already filmed one. So I'm gonna film the sunset and I'm gonna film the Milky Way. So I'm gonna basically filming time lapses like crazy while I'm here. Sorry if you don't like time lapses and drone footage, but I think this video is going to be all about time lapses and drone footage. It's mostly to showcase this campsite. I think I kind of lucked out. This spot was open. Most people here are here with campers, so they're kind of off further away in the tree line more. This spot, there's no way a camper would fit in here, but yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy this place and give you an idea of my enjoyment in the video. So hopefully you feel that from what I show you, and hopefully I catch some cool things tonight. And enjoy. And thanks for watching, everyone. And yes, this is a hammock. Check out my views. You will be so jealous. Views from a hammock. Amazing, huh? Of course, there's a tree. But look at that. Snow-capped mountains in the background. Clouds Peak is over there somewhere. And some dead trees. In fact, some of them are alive. It's amazing. This one here is alive, but the roots are just, part of it is in the water. It's amazing. I don't know how that thing's still living. The one back there is dead. Someone tried to chop it down.
I'm just sitting here minding my own business in my car at this campsite, and those three moose showed up here. They're on the other side of the river, or last time I saw them, they're on the other side of the river. But I guess when I go out to pee and stuff, I really gotta look around for these guys. I didn't think they... I mean, they got really close to me. I don't even... Oh my god, there's a fourth moose. What the heck is going on at this place? Oh, they heard me. Is it 2 males and 2 females? I hope they don't come over here. I mean, it's so weird. I've never seen moose before until a couple days ago. And now I see the same group a second time. And there's a fourth one though. He's behind a tree. Oh, I don't have a zoom lens. I can't get to it. I'd have to get out of my car. Might scare him away though if I do that. Rats! They're just eating. I guess that's what they do. I mean, kind of have to eat a lot to get as big as they are, I guess. So they just eat. I hope they don't come step on my solar panel. That'd be annoying. Can't sue a moose. Oh, I think the one in the back is bigger. Don't come this way. Oh my gosh. Nah, only one of them has antlers. Oh no, wait, the one in the back does too. Even smaller ones.